In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically clear cookies and site data in the Zen browser. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is open up the Zen browser. Now, once you open up the Zen browser, look for three dots. On mine, it's on the right hand side, it might be on the left hand side, just look for that. And then we need to click into settings. Or you can just type in about column preferences in your URL, and this is going to take you to this page here. Now once you're here on the left on these tabs, we want to click onto privacy and security, and now on the right under browser privacy, scroll down until you see cookies and site data. Here it is here. Now if you want Zen browser to automatically delete cookies and site data, go ahead and check that. And now while we're here, scroll down and under history, if you want a Zen to delete or clear your history when it closes, go ahead and make sure this box is checked. And then if we click settings, it will say automatically clear all checked items when Zen closes, so you can play around with these settings. So you can do browsing and download history, you can check that as well, do site settings, saved forms, and then go ahead and save changes.